Welcome to another video tutorial by MilesWeb. Click on the subscribe button to get notified for our latest videos. How to repair MySQL database via cPanel WHM and PHPMyAdmin. To repair MySQL database via cPanel, log in to cPanel account. Go to the Databases section and click on MySQL Databases. Find the Modify Databases section and select the database from the drop-down list of the Repair Database field. Click on Repair Database. The cPanel will begin the repair process and display the message Repair Complete when it's done. To repair MySQL database via WHM, log into WHM with root access. Select the SQL services in the navigation menu. Click on Repair a MySQL database. A list of databases will appear. Select the database you want to repair from the list and click on Repair Database button. It will take a while for the system to complete the process, depending on the database. After the repair is complete, the system will show a success message. To repair MySQL database via PHPMyAdmin, users can access PHPMyAdmin via cPanel and WHM interfaces. Here, we are using WHM interface to open PHPMyAdmin. Log into WHM with root access. Select the SQL services in the navigation menu. Click on PHPMyAdmin. Once you have opened the PHPMyAdmin module, click on the Database tab and select a database from the list. A list of tables of the database will appear. Tick the Check All box to select all tables of the database. There is a field with a list box beside it saying Which selected. Click the box and select the Repair Table option. The PHPMyAdmin will execute the query for the database tables. After some time, a success message along with a brief report will appear indicating the database tables have been repaired. Warning: in some cases, repair operation on a database may cause data loss. As a precaution, we recommend you to take a backup of the database before performing a repair operation. In this way, you can repair MySQL database via cPanel WHM and PHPMyAdmin. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If yes, then hit the like button. For any technical questions, you can contact us on this email ID. Do follow us on other social media platforms.